Hey guys, so today we are doing our Costco run. But what I wanted to show you is we have been building furniture. All right, we wanted to show some of the furniture we got. So this was a table at Ikea. This is solid wood. It's like a farmhouse type of table, and then we did get 4 of these benches, and we easily, we have smaller kids in our family too, so I mean we can almost get 2 adults and a kid on a bench. So we can sit 3, 6, the other day we sat 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14 out of the 15 people here. And remember, we have 2 babies, so they don't count as far as our family of 19. And that's extended family, like when we do get-togethers and stuff. In addition to that, we also got this corner unit. And I got this, it's 2 different pieces. We did bolt it up to separate the toys. So I can have the 2 little babies' toys up here, and then these are bigger toddler toys. So we got those with these little cloth bins. So they hold quite a bit of toys in each one. Another thing we got is this wasn't the, I don't think, oh, it's dirty. That's nice. It's not where it's supposed to be. It actually comes back further. But we wanted a table, and we also got these 2. I think we can scoot this down and get 1 more. But in here we have like our games. We have, I don't even know what else is in here. Games. Oh, and then all this stuff. So we're trying to organize all of this so that they can have their different systems and the printer. And this is kind of like our little media area. They can sit here and do school, but then when people are over, they can play board games on here, or they can play different video games because they're all little gamers. And if you look at our floor plan, that's my baby. Remember, we're not all put together. Is that, you know, it's kind of open. So where over here we would have TVs and stuff going, this can be muted. But it's still really open, but we're still all together. So we got this and these 2 pieces. I liked doing the 2-piece option because I just figured if we ever move or something happens, I can, you know, use furniture a lot easier. We got a couple of end tables just for here and over here, as well as this kind of TV stand. We wanted something that we could put some DVDs in, and then we still have some decorative stuff as well that I can do. The boys got 3 dressers. They tend to not have as much clothes as the girls. We're getting a recess outlet, I guess, for in this room, so it can go together. And we can still fit something over here. So we're still putting stuff away. But this way each has one, and then we figured if they do go away to school, they can take their dresser and their bed. So these are, you can see them. These are super deep. We also got each person one of these, and it comes with multiple little inserts, but these are super deep. He still has room here. He can put wallets or anything personal. So these were nice. Very sturdy. We also got him a solid wood end table so they can just have somewhere to plug their phones in, set some water up at night. We still have girls sleeping. So we did the same thing for us and the girls. And again, we're going to do the recess outlet and push them together. But we did the same thing as far as these nice big bins. If you can see, there's an old sock there. But we did 4, you know, bigger boys have, like my husband, have bigger, their clothes are just bigger. They take up more room. And then girls, of course, have more stuff. So each of the teenage girls has one in their room as well. And then, again, if they go off to school, get a first apartment. And then besides my drink thing, we did get these cute little end tables that matched. And then some of these we just used for, you know, whatever we want personal, so stuff's not falling out. We use those in here. So that was our Ikea haul. Now I have to go back for more Ikea stuff. But yeah, that was the furniture that we've gotten so far. Love the dining room table. And it's one of those things that should last. because it is solid wood. Not all of their stuff is solid wood, but it's always good quality. And when you're buying a house full of appliances, or not appliances, of furniture with 6 kids, you don't necessarily want to buy the most expensive thing because things will get damaged and it will upset you. And so I don't want to be upset. Probably still upset me, honestly. So that's Ikea so far. Oh, my dresser's open, or closet's open. But I've just been working a ton. The need with COVID is so great right now that, you know, hospitals are offering incentives and just needing more nurses. So I've probably worked 60 hours this week alone. So make sure to subscribe if you like this video. We are trying to get more regular with our post. It's just, again, with me working, it's just been hard, and my husband's finishing up a job at home as well, taking care of both the little boys. So the light, so that's always fun. So we are going to our big Costco trip today. My mom was gonna go with me. When she heard it's gonna be that kind of trip, she goes, I'll watch the kids, that way Caesar can load. So we're gonna go do Costco, and we'll post that video up in a couple days. So take care of each other, keep yourself safe, and we'll see you guys next time with a new video. Bye.